Today turned out to be one of the most colorful and memorable days because I dedicated the whole time to creating something truly artistic in the form of a butterfly cake, and the process itself was as joyful as the final result. I began by preparing a soft sponge cake, making sure it had the right texture, fluffy and moist, because a good base always sets the tone for the decoration. Once the cake was ready, I carefully cut it into the shape of a butterfly, and as I looked at the two sides forming wings, I could already imagine the colors flowing over them like strokes of paint on a canvas. After that, I divided my buttercream into 4 bright rainbow shades: red, yellow, blue, and green, each one shining with its own energy, and while I was filling them into piping bags, I felt like a painter preparing brushes for a masterpiece. When it was time to decorate, the real magic started, because every stroke of color on the cake felt alive, and with each passing moment the wings of the butterfly began to look brighter and more realistic. Red gave strength, yellow added warmth, blue brought calmness, and green balanced it all with freshness, and slowly all the shades came together to form a beautiful harmony. As I continued decorating, I realized how baking is not just about following steps but about expressing yourself, because the way colors blended reminded me of how life brings together so many emotions to create a complete picture. The patience required in adding strokes one by one was almost meditative, and while doing it I found myself lost in the rhythm of creativity. After carefully finishing the wings, I added a neat border cream around the cake, and with each swirl the cake looked more polished and elegant. Then came the most satisfying part, placing the cake on the turntable and rotating it slowly, watching the light reflect on the colorful wings like a rainbow dancing in the kitchen. It reminded me of childhood days when we would draw butterflies in our notebooks with bright crayons, and now here I was, bringing that very drawing to life in the form of a cake. That connection to childhood innocence made the whole experience even more emotional, because sometimes small things take us back to moments we didn't even realize we missed. I kept watching the cake from different angles, admiring how every stroke contributed to the whole picture, and it felt almost like a real butterfly was about to take flight. The beauty of baking is that it combines art and food, something that pleases both the eyes and the heart, and when you add love into it, the outcome becomes even more special. As the cake stood complete, I thought about how moments like these are worth cherishing because they remind us to slow down, to enjoy the process, and to find happiness in creativity rather than just rushing to the end. This butterfly cake became more than just a dessert for me, it became a memory of patience, joy, and the magic of colors blending together.